Hi everyone. I decided to do a short, I'm going to put a few charms on this new bangle. It's the Shooting Star bangle that was just a promotion. If you spent $125, you got this bangle for free. My daughter got this with my Christmas present this year. I was so blessed. So I'm going to play with this for a second. I showed you this new charm that I had just gotten myself. I've been wanting to do a blue charm bracelet. So I think I'm going to take this because it does have the stars on it, which it doesn't matter if it has stars or not. I'm going to put this on this bangle. Then, in this jewelry box, I have some star clasps. Let me see if I can find them. I know they're in here because I just saw them the other day. Oh, they're there. Okay, if you ever get the opportunity to get one of these jewelry boxes that Pandora had out years ago, get them. I feel like my charms don't get as oxidized. Okay, because this bracelet does not have any threads to put your clips on, this is where you get these black silicone stoppers from Pandora. I actually should have asked for some the last time I was in there, and I did not. Okay, so I'm going to open both of these. Here, I'm going to set it on this bag. Sometimes I find it's easier to set them on a flat, hard surface to get them to open. Obviously, if they're on your arm, on a bracelet, you can't do that. Okay, I'm going to, okay, let me get this back over here. I'm going to refasten the clasp on my bracelet. I've got my one charm on here so far. So I want this to hang, because I've only got one charm, I would say pretty close to the center. Okay, see, I just have it hanging pretty close. Let me see. If you just hold your bracelet upright, like this position I have here, it will be hanging directly below. So I've got one black stopper there. I'm going to put another one right here. I still want my charm to kind of go back and forth. Okay, so if that's center, I need to move this one out a tad. Okay. Then, no, this isn't the star. That's a snowflake. Hang on a second. I hope I had another set of stars. I thought oh yeah, they're there. Okay, I got out the wrong ones. But while I've got these out, I will show you. So Pandora had at one point a snowflake that had some blue CZs in it. Then it also put out these stars. I'm telling you, if you can ever get a hold of these stars, you have to get them. They are awesome. Okay, so I'm going to put the snowflakes back. Put my little snowflakes back. This is my last pair of the stars that are just loose and not being used. Let's see what else I have in here. There's a blue. I've got that blue bead. Wonder if I should use it. What the hey? Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, I'm going to open this back up. Let me see. I wish I had something super soft I could put this on. I mean, this isn't super bad, but okay, I'm going to open my clasp back up. Take it back out. Remove the stopper. Whoops. Get back in here. Grab this. What do you think? I'm going to put this on there. That's pretty. Okay. So now I have, oh, this has a threaded core, which is nice. Okay, what do you think? Do you guys think that looks good? The blue in the stone appears to have a more, okay, let's get this to focus. Okay, the blue in the stone appears to have a more purpley, but the blue CZs on the top and the bottom do match it. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Let me see, I'm going to pull this a little bit more. Okay, my black stopper. So the purpose of the stoppers is it will make my clips secure. Okay, let me see. So these are going to hang like that. These are going to hang like that. I think I want this. Okay, that'll work. Okay, now I got to get my stopper or my clips back open because I got the stars out. Okay. I just had an opportunity a couple months ago to get a bracelet with these stars on it. I would have had to driven 2 hours though. So I decided not to do it. And ever since, I've been kicking myself in the butt. Because these are actually, I am not a huge star fan. Okay, so you've got to work your clip over the silicone like that. I mean, you do have to kind of work it a little bit, so don't be afraid to. Okay. Okay, and see, and those silicones make it where my star clips will not go back and forth. What do you think? I think this one's a little bit further up. Isn't that pretty? And then I'll clip my bangle back up. Oh, wait a minute. No. Let me see if I can get it on. Okay. Okay, this is my first full bangle. I've got the cuff bangles, but I do not have one like this. This is my first one. Okay, there it is. This is a bigger bangle, but I will not, it's not so big that I would lose it. If you can see, it's just gonna kind of hang down. So because it's bigger, I'm going to be able to put more charms on it. So there's that. Let me know below what you think. Do you think this stone having a more purpley blue should be removed? But like I said before, the CZs do match everything. Okay, let me know what you think. I'm happy with it. I think it's pretty, and I think this will be good. The other blue charms that I would like to get, I'm not going to get star themed necessarily, but let me know what you think. Thank you very much. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.